Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are making this delicious sauce, and for this recipe we're gonna need some bell peppers, tomatoes, onion, garlic and ginger. I'll be leaving the details in the description box. Now they are all washed and ready to be blended. I think this is an important part of this recipe because we want to blend on a low capacity. So if your blender has got low, medium, high, you definitely want to go for the low. I'm using a blender that has a capacity of 10 and I blended on 2 because I do not want a smooth consistency. I want it to roughly blended. So in no particular order, I had everything into the blender and I blend for about 30 to 45 seconds, depending on how fast or smooth your blender is. This is what you should actually get. This is the consistency we are working with. So I pour this in the coriander and allow the water to sieve out. My oil has been frying for 3 minutes, so I add in my onions to fry. Some of you said you don't see my videos, so I'd like to encourage you to not just subscribe but press the bell behind the subscription button so you don't miss any videos from me. I go in to add some crushed garlic into the onions and I fry. I'll be frying this together for 5 minutes. I want the oil to absorb the flavor of the garlic and the onions. As you can see, the color is changed and I've been frying for 5 minutes. At this point, I go in to add my blended peppers, the Pepppermix. I just add it into the hot oil and allow the hot oil to infuse its flavor into the Pepppermix. After frying for 2 minutes, I just ensure it's not burning, and don't forget we're frying on low heat. I add 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 bullion cubes. I'll actually be leaving the details in the description box below, so feel free to check. It's been frying for a total of 5 to 6 minutes, and I'm just going to give it a stir to ensure everything is properly cooked and fried. This is what it should look like actually, and this sauce is actually ready to be taken. I had some grilled fish and egg I wanted to add to mine, so I just infuse it into the sauce and I give it a gentle stir because I don't want my fish to get broken. So this sauce is as good as ready. You can have it with rice, yam, pasta. It's my multi-purpose sauce. So this is about this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.